Today we're checking out the south side area of Fort Worth before heading out to River East area where I got a last minute spot on a songwriter showcase at the Post at River East. The south side area of Fort Worth is 2 miles south of downtown. And there's a really cool collection of homes here from the 1800s to the 1920s. They're referred to as bungalows, and it's part of the Fairmount Historic District. And so I've enjoyed checking out these homes and knowing that it exists and seeing the diversity of homes that are there. Not everyone looks the same. They all have something different about them, and they all look pretty unique and cool. And there's over 1,000 buildings that are part of this historic district. Now, right up against the Fairmont district is Magnolia Avenue, and this is a really interesting strip that has a lot of old buildings. It's really fun to walk around. It's almost a whole mile long. It's known as a hipster area, and it's not hyped up with clubs as much as some of the other neighborhoods around Fort Worth. So here you can find some eccentric bars, some coffee shops, Mexican restaurants, barbecue restaurants, Thai restaurants. You could grab some wine and some fancy places. There's a brewery or two. You can find some spirits, some of that hard booze around here too. So this is a place that I enjoy checking out and hanging out. And one place that features music along the strip is Maggie's R&R. So I've seen some music there one time when I was going around. And one of the most popular places for food along that strip is Heim BBQ. So I popped in there to get their barbecue, and you got to get their bacon burnt ends. Now moving on from the Fairmount district and the Magnolia Avenue, we go to River East. As the name suggests, this area is east of downtown Fort Worth. It's comprised of the Riverside Arts District, and you can find some interesting stores like record stores and tattoo shops. And one of the places there in that little neighborhood is the Tributary Cafe. I know I've seen music played there before, but tonight we're focusing on the Post at River East. This is an intimate venue, a great venue to play at, so I was really excited about this. And every third Wednesday of the month, Cameron Smiths hosts a songwriter showcase here. He's a folk singer and songwriter based out of Fort Worth, and the guest of the month this evening was Ghost Cloak, who came over from McKinney. And Cameron was kind enough to let me go up there in a last minute kind of pop-up thing and play up there on that stage as part of the event. So thanks for checking out this video. I'm touring around Texas and I'm posting about it on my YouTube, so be sure to check out the tons of videos I've got about the Texas music scene here on my channel. Hit that subscribe and the bell button to stay tuned on my posts. Let me know in the comments what else I should be checking out, and thanks for your support.